Hi, thanks for joining me in this video. As you are joining me, no doubt you've encountered the same irritating problem that I have, and that is this extremely difficult to remove tape found on some pieces of furniture from IKEA. The furniture here we've got is a shelving unit from, it's called Kallax, quite a popular, very common one. It's got this annoying tape across the edge of every single piece, which is an absolute nightmare to remove. So much so that when I opened the box, I thought there was some kind of error, that they sent me kind of a dummy box, because this appears to be part of the finish. It's stuck on so tightly that there's no edges to it. You can't get at it anywhere to peel it off. But in this video, I'm going to show you a quick, simple trick to try and make things easier for you. Now, it's still going to be annoying, just the nature of this tape and why they stick it on, I do not know. But I'm going to try and make it easier. Of course, you could just hack away at it with a pair of scissors or a knife or something of that nature. But that could be time consuming, frustrating, and also runs the risk of damaging your product. Whereas this way, this is just a simple way of trying to get this tape off a little bit easier. And what you need is a simple tool, which is, most people have one in the house. Your missus probably definitely has, and it's a hairdryer. Now, excuse this is a very scruffy, old, battered, rubbish one from George, but it serves a purpose. And essentially all you do is you turn it on, and you just warm up the edge of the plastic. Like so. Just maybe for 25-30 seconds, I'll say. Okay, so hopefully that should have done it. Now, I've picked away at this a little bit earlier anyway, trying to get at it, but now hopefully it should make it that little bit easier to get at. I mean, it's still quite irritating, but all you need with this is just get it loose enough to grab at. Once you can grab on it, like this, just need to steady it. You can just then peel it off. As I say, it's not an ideal solution. It is still quite annoying. I've never known tape stuck to something like this. It's like it's welded on. But hopefully this video has been informative. Hopefully it's been helpful, and hopefully it'll assist you in overcoming this annoying issue. I started trying to put this Kallax together probably 40 minutes ago, and I've not even started yet in terms of constructing it, because it's taking me that long to get these irritating bits of tape off. But anyway, thank you for watching, and as I say, hopefully this has been helpful to you.